We can just start opening. We have 6 spots left. In the filler. Don't drop your cherries. Nice fresh cherry. Sounds pretty good. We got 4 off real quick. Still got 6 spots left. Orioles are out there. Is it? This is when they're best. Yeah, who else is out there? 6 left, 24 per. Both Rookie of the Years are sitting there. How can we get 4 off so quick and then go ghost? We need some new contributors. We got all of the packs open before another spot came off. Still got 6 left. We need some pushers. 6 left. Cards are out. Morning, Dale. All right, I suppose that's fine. We're gonna have to scratch this. So Terry, you have 48 in credit. Rick, you have 24. I gotta just add it to your guys' account. Sorry. Rick, I added yours. Terry, you got 48 credit. Would you want to just put it towards a team? $115, Dorian. Let's see some cards. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Dorian, you're in there. Terry, if you want to just take the D-backs, I'll give them to you for what you sent for the filler. Alright, Terry doesn't seem to be here. Oh, there he is. We had to scratch the filler because they wanted to take teams and the filler wasn't moving. So I was saying if you wanted to just take the Diamondbacks for what you sent for your 2 filler spots, I would do that just so we could be full. Alright, perfect. So you get the D-backs and we're even. Good. Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate that. We were a bit all over the place there, but we did make it. First break in the morning. Anniversary. This is a fresh case. Take your 74s. It will have the city pack. Good luck. First parallel right out the gate. DL Hall. Hopefully see plenty more Oriole rookie parallels for Dorian. First X-Fractors, Espinoza. Got a pink shimmer of Buddy Kennedy. Also looking for more D-backs rookie parallels. Good old Buddy. That one's numbered to 100. Fractor of Kopech. Gunner base. Gold of Graham Ashcraft. A rookie gold for Cincy. Guess the first numbered auto. I think there's a numbered auto right here. Save it for a sec. Guess any auto, honestly. Guess any auto all break. For 15 in credit. There's a Josh Young variation. It's a nice card. If you guess any of the 6 autos, you're a winner. How about that? Is it a red? Is that a red? Justin Steele rookie out of 499. Cubbies. Wow, that's a banger card right there. 4 out of 5 for the Dodgers. Rookie red of Michael Busch. So we got 2 autos in this box. I did not expect for that to be an auto because that blue sitting there is supposed to be an auto as well. Rick. Beauty. Mikey Busch got out to a super hot start with the Cubbies this year. It's kind of slowed down, but that's sick. There's a Jaywalker. We should have another auto right here. 2 numbered autos. This one is Senga. What a box. That was 1 box. Steve B. I mean, that's a good break. That's a successful break, let alone box. Griff. You're a winner. Remind me after the break, I'll credit you. There's a nice Adley. This is the best box I've ever seen of Platinum Anniversary. This has to be the best box I've ever seen. Hopefully it's just a hot case. Blue Greinke. Wow. Well, yes, Mini. Mini pulling product hits out here. We can't all compete with Mini Jags. I still haven't pulled a super out of this product. Would be a nice time to do it. Bryce Johnson, pink shimmy for the Giants. Morel rookie. There's a base auto of Graham Ashcraft. Back to reality. That is black of Max Muncy, numbered to 1 out of 10. Not the true black, but the black toil, whatever they call it. The toilet. Now we have orange. We've seen red. We've seen black. Now we have an orange. Mason Miller rookie. Orange for the crew is Terang. Bryce Terang. Still hitting over 300. I think he's up to like 20 steals as well, having a heck of a season. Could be an all-star. Bryce Terang. Could honestly be an all-star. Bobby Dorr. X-Factor Harmon Killebrew. The Killer. Steer rookie blue Chris Oakey. Okay. Bruce Sutter. Numbered out of 499. Refractor of Dizzy Dean. Speckle of Bobby Dorr. Numbered out of 150. Refractor of Raleigh. X-Fractor Luis Castillo for the Tigers. Still don't know if that guy's real. Pink Shimmer Smoltz. 77 out of 100. Gold of Stephen Kwan. 2 out of 50. Auto of Kenny Lofton. It's literally all coming in Dodgers. Congrats, Rick. Jim Tomei. Another Jaywalker rookie. Speckle of Willie Mays. 12 out of 150. That's pretty sick. I know, Terry. I feel bad. I owe you. Rocchio. Blue of Salvi. Numbered out of 199. Team color. I'll throw you a team in the next one, Terry. Refractor of Nicky Lopez. Logo fractor of Evan Lee. Mikey Harris rookie. Nolan Jones, Buddy Kennedy. /75 Suzuki. Hey, Seiya. That is the rose gold. Halfway to go. Let's see some more red. I like this Willie Mays a lot. Got another blue auto. It's Barry Zito. So yeah, you don't see every day. Golfer Bass and the A's. Barry Zito. Little throwback. 80 out of 99. Cole Reagan's refractor. Rose gold of Brooks Robinson. Numbered out of 75 for the Orioles. Riley Green, India. Another Ashcraft. I think that's 3 Ashcrafts. Goldie Green and an auto. Onyo Cruz, X-Fractor, Hideki Matsui. Another rose gold, Corey Julks, rookie for the Stros. A lot of rose golds coming out. Ezekiel Duran. Top set of $4.99. Refractor of Yastrzemski. Corbin rookie. And a blue back here of Jay Walker. There you go, Dram. Number 199, Jordan Walker. Warren Spahn, Grayson Rodriguez, Bryce Miller, Brandon Pfaadt. Cal Ripken, refractor. DLC at a $4.99. Brugvu with the fish. There's a base auto, Travis Swaggerty. For Terry and the Pirates. SpongeBob. CC Sabathia. Numbered out of 99, Green Wave. Royce Lewis refractor. X-Fractor rookie Bryce Miller for Seattle. Gold wave of Ohtani, 20 out of 50. 28 out of 50. AVC 1, 2, 3. Ohtani. Another rose gold of Corey Julks. You got the regular rose gold and the mini diamond rose gold. There's literally 3 different rose golds. It's a little much. 3 parallels of every color. Young, Bobby Miller, Willie Adames. Topps Fractor of Michael Conforto. Billy said he's going yard today. We will end box 5 with a green back there. There's a Frankie Alvarez rookie. Vinny P, Vientos, Terang, green of Jorge Soler for the fish. That one's numbered out of 99, and we are down to 1. Luis Castillo for the Tigers to $4.99. George Springer. X-Fractor blue of Ben DeLuzio. Okay. Refractor Nicky Prado. Got a pink shimmer back here of Jay Walker. 2 Jordan Walker numbered parallels for Duran. Blue and pink shimmer. I'd literally never heard of that guy either. We have a pink auto to end it. I'll put that down and save it. Pink auto numbered out of 15 to end it. Gary Carter, numbered out of 499. Nice one there for the Nationals. Another Corbin base. John Gray. Speckle. Adrian Beltre. Out of 150. Still love Beltre. Chipper refractor. Pretty card. Orange wave for the Red Sox. Brian Bayo rookie out of 25. Hell yeah, Dorian. That's good news. Great news. Steve B, nice Bayo, even though he got rocked by the White Sox the other day. Stevie Kwan refractor. We end it with a pink auto, numbered out of 15. Show us a big one. That is about the opposite of a big one. It is Narcisco Crook. 5 out of 15 for Steve B. Another debatably made up player. I guess Crook. Got no words. A lot of really nice color that break, though. Recap, start with the non-auto stuff. Bayo orange. Couple of Jordan Walker numbered parallels. Couple of Corey Julks rose golds. Ohtani gold. Beautiful. CC, there's the other Jordan Walker. Cole Reagan's refractor. Salvi team color, Willie Mays. Gold, Stevie Kwan. Orange wave rookie of Bryce Terang. Black Muncie out of 10. Adley Speckle. Justin Steele, Josh Young's a variation. Ashcraft Golds. And then the autos. Crook out of 15. Swaggerty. That is not an auto. Corey Julks. Barry Zito Blue. Kenny Lofton. Graham Ashcraft. Red rookie Michael Bush. And a blue Senga. That first box had all the juice. Congrats to the hitters.